I gave you my heart.
Hello everyone, welcome to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how I came about this finger licking peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. Guys, I'm sorry for not uploading this right after the rice balls. Okay guys, so with our peanut butter soup or groundnut soup or in cutting quite pepper here, I have my tomatoes and garlic and ginger and my pepper. This is my seasoning, my groundnut paste or peanut butter paste, whatever it is. That is my tomato sauce, and that is my onions, salt, my chicken, and some dry fish. Okay, so Charlie, with my recipe, my secret is just the garlic and ginger. Yes, that's it. So nothing special, nothing so extraordinary. Okay, all right, let's get to the kitchen. Okay guys, so I want to say thank you to everybody who keeps watching and also coming back to my channel. Guys, I really appreciate you guys. This channel won't be without you, so thank you. And if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, oh boy, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, the notification bell, so that you can get more updates. So our peanut butter soup or katekwine papabi is ready. Charlie, just want to leave it for a few minutes and I mean you are good to go. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I'll see you next time. Bye! As you know, peanut butter soup or katekwine can be eaten with anything. Can be eaten with fufu. It can be eaten with, banku, with small okra. Can be eaten with rice, apele. Name it. Everything. It can be eaten with it. You just imagine having your eba with peanut butter soup with some little okra on top of it. Chai. Okay, Charlie, Jai. Record square and casa. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Bye.